Are you questioning your self-worth? Do you feel as though you are not worthy of happiness, success, love, and positive things in your life? If so, this quick ritual for reclaiming your self-love and worth is for you. To get started, I just want you to set a very quick intention for yourself here. What is the purpose of you watching this video? Do you want to feel empowered again? Do you want to feel worthy again? Choose an intention. It can be very simple. And I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to take a deep breath in and hold it in the inhale. So deep breath in, hold, and exhale it all away. It can be a little dramatic in that exhale. We really want to release. So let's do that again. Deep breath in, hold, and exhale it all away. Think about that intention that you want to set for yourself. Repeat it internally, or you can say it out loud. An example could be, I want to reclaim my self-worth. Very simple, but do what feels right for you. Repeat that intention. Take another deep breath in. Hold and exhale it all away. Open your eyes. Bring your shoulders up to your ears and roll them down your back. We're just gonna get grounded here in your space. So shoulders up to the ears, shrugging high, and roll them down your back. Allow your shoulders to just relax down your back, letting go of any tension or stress from the day. I'm going to start off by purifying your space with some distance energy healing. Just as a reminder, you can be anywhere in the world. Energy healing transcends time and space. I just want you to be very open to receive, so you can sit with your palms facing up and allow this healing energy to enter into your energetic space. I'm going to use a little bit of white sage here to clear away any negative thoughts, energies, things that are lingering from the day that we can just remove. Perfect. I want you to try to really just allow yourself to be fully in this moment, not thinking about anything else, just dropping everything else that has happened today, yesterday, or what you think you need to do in the future. Let's let it go. Just drop, okay? If you feel that there's heaviness on your shoulders, pull off your shoulders, bring your arms out and drop, okay? Envision it. You're pulling that heaviness, that load off your shoulders, arms out, drop. And a few more times. Pulling away from your shoulders, arms out, drop. Let it all go. I'm going to do a little bit of visualization, so you can close your eyes or you can keep them open however you feel the most comfortable. But I want you to imagine this beautiful white healing light surrounding your body. Surrounding your body, and you're breathing it in. You're breathing in this healing, beautiful, white, translucent light. Breathing it in, it's very gentle and it's surrounding you. It's very calming. And now I want you to envision that when you exhale, you're exhaling this dark, smoky-like cloud of air. Your exhales are dark and smoky. What you are exhaling are negative feelings that you have for yourself. Feeling as though you are not worthy, you are not capable, you are not smart enough, pretty enough, strong enough. Whatever that lingering pattern of thought that is always in the back of your mind, I want you to exhale it away. That is that dark stuff that we're gonna let go of. So inhale the light. Exhaling the dark thoughts away. And just allow yourself to envision this for a few moments. Inhaling light. Exhaling the darkness away. Inhaling light. Exhaling those dark, negative, self-depreciating thoughts out of your body. Letting them all go. Inhaling, healing. Exhaling toxicity. I want you to repeat after me. I am strong. I am worthy. I am perfect just as I am. My imperfections are perfect just as they are. There is only one of me. How special is that? Truly, think about that. There is only one of you. How amazing and wonderful is that? Nobody can be like you. Nobody is like you. I am worthy of success. I am worthy of love. I am powerful. I am deserving of good things. I love myself deeply. I love myself deeply. I attract abundance because I am positive. I release negative thoughts. am valued. I am empowered. Bring your hands to your heart center. I want you to feel your heart beating. Feel the life within you. Close your eyes. Breathing in and out. And feel the life force within you. You are perfect just as you are. You are alive. And when you allow self-depreciating thoughts take over your joy, you are not allowing yourself to live your life to the fullest. You need to let it go. Just drop it. I hope that you are feeling better. Come back to that intention that you set for yourself here. I want you to carry this with you for the rest of the day. And I want you to walk away from this feeling lighter and at peace with yourself. Remember, you are worthy. You need to prioritize self-love and care in order to show up as your best self, in order to attract good things in your life. Please return to this video anytime you start to feel doubtful, and I guarantee that you'll walk away feeling a lot better, a lot more confident. My name is Samantha. Please drop me a comment if you found this video, this ritual to be helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That helps me grow as well. I am sending you so much deep love and care, and I will see you again very soon. Take care.